guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So as you guys know by the title and the thumbnail, today I will be sharing New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. And I don't know why it's so cold here in Kolkata. Like, I am not a winter person. So yeah, it's very cold. I am here with my blanket. Yes, I literally cannot. It's so cold. I am wearing a full sleeve top. It's a dress actually. In today's video I will be using 2 or 3 makeup products I have recently bought. So if you guys are interested to see how I create a beautiful gorgeous look, then please keep on watching. So I have already moisturized my face and now it's time for primer, and it has been a really long time that I haven't used this. So this is the Nivea Men Sensitive Aftershave Balm. So I'm going to use this as my primer. So I really like using this during the winter time. Next up, I am going to use this new foundation. This is the Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation and I'm in the shade number 32. So I have bought this recently, like 3 days ago, and the shade is a really nice match, I guess. So I have to shake this well before use, and this is my first time using it. I really like the packaging of this and I'm very excited to see how it performs. So before applying the foundation, just let me talk about this Plume New sponge. This is the I think Celestial sponge, and it is kind of a marble sponge, and this is not the microfiber one. It's a normal sponge, and oh my god, this is very soft. I really like Plume products. They are very good in quality, and this is very soft. I am going to definitely dampen it and see how it expands and how it blends. So guys, you can see it just expanded and it is more soft right now. So I don't know about the coverage. Let's try a little bit. Let's try this sponge. What do you guys think about the shade? I think it's pretty good, and this also blends like a dream. And the sponge, of course, it's soaking up a little bit of product, but it's blending out my foundation really nicely. So the foundation has sheer to medium coverage, so I'm going to go with a little bit more so that I get a little bit more coverage just right here. Honestly, I really like the foundation. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel cakey or very heavy on my skin. It's looking really pretty and really flawless. Now it's time for concealer. I am using my favorite Spotlight concealer from PAK Cosmetics. This has amazing coverage and just gives that really nice matte finish I love. Guys, this sponge is extremely soft, and if you like skin-like finish, you should definitely try this one out. It's giving me really nice skin-like finish, not heavy coverage or anything. It's just giving me that flawless finish. Oh my god, I absolutely love this sponge. Now to set my face, I am using this Faces Canada Ultime Pro Matte Brilliance Pressed Powder in the shade 03. Now it's time for contouring and bronzing. I am using my Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. This is my favorite. I mean, this has a contour and a bronzer. I really like to mix both of them and just go and snatch my face. So now for my blush, I'm using the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush in the shade Mauve Marvel. And this is how the shade looks like. It's my new purchase. it's pigmented. Now I'm going to set my face with the Forever 52 Fix Quickly Makeup Setting Spray. So while my setting spray is drying, I am going to fill in my brows off camera, and the brow product I will be using is the ABH Dip Brow Pomade. Now it's time for highlighter, and I have been loving this Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. I have the mini version, and this is how the highlighter looks like. It's a beautiful highlighter which blends like a butter. Look at that. Oh. I am definitely going to purchase more Ofra highlighters because the highlighter is really good, you guys. So now I am going to prime my eyelids with the same concealer, the PAC one. So for my eye makeup, I do have this new palette which I bought recently, and this is the ABH Norvina palette in the shade, in the collection volume 3, and let me just show you how the palette actually looks like. This is the inner packaging, the palette. This is how the palette looks like. It's such a beautiful colorful palette. Oh my god, look at those shades. But today I'm not going to use this palette because I really want to use this palette in a dedicated video, so I'm keeping that aside. I am going to use my another favorite palette, which is the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, and yeah, I will do something smoky, something glittery, something different. So let's get started with the eye makeup. So the first shade I am going with is this one. This is a beautiful cherry shade. I am going to take this. This is the brush Sigma E42. I am going to take this shade and I'm going to place it just on my crease. Next up, I am taking the Sigma E33 small blending brush and I'm going to blend this shade further in my crease without any shadow. Now taking the Sigma larger blending brush, this is E40, I'm just going to blend it in my crease without any eyeshadow. Next up, I am going to take this middle shade. It's a beautiful transition shade. I'm using the same blending brush, the bigger one, and I'm going to blend it on my crease. So I'm going to mix both of them and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. Also, the brush I'm using is from Sigma and this is E55. The same shades on my lower lash line. Now it's time for some glitter. I am going to use this TS Cosmetics Not Your Business Loose Pigment Glitter, and the glitter primer I will be using is from NYX. So first I'm going with the eyeliner. I'm using the Sigma Gel Eyeliner. Now it's time for mascara and I'm using the Super Volume and Lengthening Mascara from Forever 52. Now I'm going to finish off this eye, apply some falsies and I will be back. And for my lipstick I'm using the Sugar Metal Satin Lipstick in the shade Elizabeth 02. So I'm using a little bit of Mulberry Magic from the Faces Canada. So guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I absolutely love the color and it definitely matches my hair color too. So I really want to talk about the sponge. This is very soft, very squishy. It blended my foundation, my concealer really nicely. And if you guys don't like microfiber sponges, you can definitely try this one out. And when you try to blend your foundation or concealer with this, it feels so relaxing, and I absolutely love the sponge. It just gave me that really nice skin-like finish and airbrushed look. So yes, I am definitely going to recommend this sponge to you, and if you really want to buy it, I am going to mention their link down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And let me know if you like this look or not. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys find this video helpful and like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.